Why you need to get pre-approved for a mortgage before you buy a home. If you've ever gone shopping for a car, I'm sure that one of the first things you might have done is to figure out if you can afford it, and secondly, make sure that you can get financing if you're not paying cash. When buying a home, it's basically the same thing, but on a much bigger scale. I'd like to share with you what to expect when I pre-approve you for a mortgage loan and some of the reasons why it's important, and I mean critical, that you know your options before you buy a home. The very first thing is to provide your financial information, like your income, bank accounts, monthly payments that you make now, and your social security number so we can order a credit report on your behalf. And speaking of credit reports, in addition to your list of debts, your credit score will be on the report. And depending on which type of loan you qualify for, there are minimum credit scores that must be met. If your credit score is not high enough to qualify for a mortgage loan now, don't worry, because there are things we can do to help you increase your scores so you can buy a home in the future. We'll also be asking you for copies of paycheck stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. While we get to know you personally, even if you apply by phone, email, or on our website, the person pre-approving your loan only gets to know you as quote-unquote pieces of paper that tell a story as to why you should or should not be approved. So the more pieces of paper you provide, the better your chances of getting pre-approved. Here are some reasons why getting pre-approved is a good thing, as Martha Stewart would say. If you're working with a real estate agent, they'll need to know the price range of the homes to show you. And oh, by the way, if you haven't chosen a real estate agent yet, we can refer 2 to 3 awesome realtors for you to interview. Next, based on your credit score, income, and monthly payment, we'll be able to determine the financing options that are best for you. And the reason you need to know that is because the real estate agent will have to include that into the financing section of the real estate contract. Oh, and the seller of the home that you want to purchase wants to know that you've been pre-approved too. Now, we've seen instances in the case of multiple offers where a lower sales price was accepted by the seller because the buyers had been pre-approved while the other buyer did not have a pre-approval letter. As one of the first mortgage brokers in the country to take our business online, we wanted to provide our customers with up-to-date interest rate information. As technology evolved, so did we. Not only can you get up-to-the-minute interest rates, you can also run numbers on our online calculators, check out our social media pages, browse real estate for sales listings, and conveniently apply for your loan online 24/7, 365. eMortgage has loans for first-time home buyers, refinance, debt consolidation, investment properties, VA loans, FHA loans, and FHA 203K home loan fix-ups. We lend throughout the entire state of California. So please check out our website and our current interest rate quotes, and feel free to call with your additional questions. Thank you so much for viewing.